Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best coldest water bottle for kids, the CHILLOUT Life 12 ounces Kids Insulated Water Bottle. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and kid-friendly water bottle that keeps drinks cold all day long, this one deserves your attention. The CHILLOUT Life water bottle is made from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel with double-walled vacuum insulation technology. This means it can keep cold drinks ice cold for up to 24 hours and hot drinks warm for up to 12 hours. Whether your child is heading to school, summer camp, or an outdoor adventure, this bottle promises to keep their beverage at the perfect temperature throughout the day. One of the standout features is the integrated straw lid, designed for convenience and spill prevention. Kids can sip easily without tipping the bottle, and when closed, the lid creates a completely leak-proof seal. This feature is a game-changer for busy parents who want to avoid spills in backpacks or lunchboxes. The straw is thick and connected directly to the mouthpiece, making it comfortable for little hands and mouths to use. The bottle also includes a silicone sleeve at the base, which serves multiple purposes. It protects the metal bottle from dents and scratches, guards surfaces from being scratched, and adds a non-slip grip to prevent accidental drops. This thoughtful design detail shows how much care has gone into making this bottle truly kid-proof and parent-approved. Another fun addition is the set of waterproof, vinyl stickers that come included with the bottle. These cute, colorful stickers allow kids to personalize their water bottle, making hydration more fun and encouraging ownership. The stickers are durable enough to be used on laptops, notebooks, or anything else kids want to decorate, which adds extra value beyond just the bottle itself. The CHILLOUT Life bottle is designed with portability in mind. It features a wide folding handle that can rotate freely, making it easy for kids to carry around without straining their wrists. The size and shape fit comfortably in most car cup holders and backpack pockets, making it a versatile option for everyday use. Cleaning is simple since the bottle, lid, straw, and silicone base are all dishwasher safe. This makes maintenance hassle-free for busy families. However, the manufacturer recommends hand washing to preserve the bottle's exterior finish. In terms of aesthetics, the bottle comes in a variety of vibrant colors and styles, including gradient ombre and matte finishes, so kids can pick one that fits their personality. The lightweight design, weighing just over 6 ounces, ensures it's easy for kids to handle without feeling bulky or heavy. Overall, the CHILLOUT Life 12 ounces Kids Insulated Water Bottle combines functionality with fun. Its ability to maintain cold temperatures all day, leak-proof design, and personalized stickers make it an excellent choice for children of all ages. It's built to last, safe to use, and encourages kids to stay hydrated in a way that's both practical and enjoyable. That wraps up our review of the CHILLOUT Life Kids Insulated Water Bottle. If you're looking for a dependable water bottle that keeps drinks cold and makes hydration fun, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.